Alright y'all, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, my name is CrazyQuady and I do a lot of truck camping videos. So today in this video we're going to go over a few essential things that you should have in your truck camper, or any vehicle-based camper in general I guess, to stay safe. So we're going to go over 5 essential safety items for your vehicle-based camping. And number 1 is going to be a first aid kit. This is just a store-bought kit. I did not put any of this together. I have added a few things to this, but you're going to want all your basic essentials: bandages, antiseptics, any medications you need if that's something that you're on, or if you have somebody with you that is taking medications. It's a good idea to take extra in case you were to lose those. Pain relievers, maybe some anti-diarrhea medicine, things like that. It is always good to have a first aid kit with you in your vehicle. Alright folks, essential safety item number 2 is going to be a fire extinguisher. Make sure this is for use on multiple things like electrical fires, gas fires, etc. And always make sure that it is easily accessible. I carry one here mounted in my cab, and I also carry one in the back in the camper section. Okay, safety essential item number 3 is going to be some sort of GPS locator that is separate from your phone. Something like this will allow rescuers to find you. Some of these are also capable of sending emails if you have a clear view of the sky, when your cell phone, etc. will not work for that. I personally choose to use a Garmin InReach Mini. And while I have not had to hit the SOS button, it is a great peace of mind to know that I always have this with me in my pack, in my truck, or wherever I am camping. And if I were to have an emergency, let's say I were to fall down and knock myself out, and my family didn't hear from me for a long time, or at the set determined time where I was set to contact them, they could use this on their end to find my location and come rescue me. Item number 4 on our list of safety essentials is going to be some sort of multi-tool. I have this one in my backpack. This is a Gerber multi-tool. It has pliers, a small knife, scissors, bottle opener, screwdriver, etc. I tend to carry one in my backpack. I have one here in the back of the truck, and I also have one in my center console. I use these things pretty regularly. It's nice to have this all in one little package that you can throw in your pocket or in a bag and take this with you. Something like this can be used for so many different things, whether you need to pry something open, open a can of food, etc. It is always a good idea to have at least one multi-tool with you. And last on the list of essential items is going to be a reliable communication device. This is a cell phone, and I carry this in conjunction with my GPS communicator. Obviously, everybody's got a phone on them now, but sometimes these don't work, so that's why you need the GPS. But along with this, I also have a two-way CB radio in the truck, which is permanently mounted. And there are other things such as GMRS radios or ham radios. However, those need a license in order to operate them. So always having your cell phone on you is also very important. I do not like to move around my camp, whether it's 15 feet away. I prefer to always have this in my pocket because you never know what's going to happen. If you're new here, the reason I started this whole channel was because I fell down and broke my leg while I was out fishing one day. I was by myself. I did not have a GPS locator at that time, and I am very, very thankful that I had my cell phone in my pocket, because my backpack was on the other side of the spillway where I was fishing, and my truck was probably a quarter mile to a half mile away. Had I not had this in my pocket, I would have been in for a very, very bad time. So always carry a reliable communication device with you. It's always good to have redundancies such as a CB radio in your truck, or a ham or GMRS radio. So remember, these essentials will help you stay safe and prepared on your next truck camping adventure. And as always, y'all, stay tuned for the next adventure. I'll see you in a bit.